All right, we are live. What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, hey. Jason Brown here from Portland, Oregon, hopping on live on a Sunday afternoon. Actually, I think it's still morning here, anyways. Sure, it's afternoon, plenty of places. But yeah, the time has allowed, and I've wanted to be more disciplined in doing Facebook Live. So even though it's Sunday, and yesterday I did one on Saturday, which aren't always the best time for live engagements with people hopping on as I'm on here. It's still, I know, productive, and so here I am. So if you do hop on here live with me, let me know you're here. And if you catch this, excuse me, after on a replay, hit me with the hashtag replay. Let me know you were here. I'd love to give you a shout out and those sort of things. So I wanted to talk today about what's your plan? Having a plan, as I mentioned in the description. What's that plan look like? I know a lot of people get online and they want to be super busy and super active, and they're just kind of flailing around doing all parts of things and no real driven focus, no real plan of action, if you will, as to what they're trying to accomplish, how they're trying to get those things done, and that sort of thing. It's so ultra important. If you're working from home, whether it's part-time, full-time, 1 week on, 1 week off, whatever the case, whatever your time allows, whatever you're putting, that you manage that time pretty tight. If you're going to put in 2 hours a day online into your online business, you got to map out what you're going to get done. What are those activities that you're going to accomplish, income producing activities that you're going to apply yourself and make sure that you get done in that time. If you just have some frivolous chats and make a post and don't do any engagement, you're probably not going to get where you want to be. You're probably not going to end up in a spot of the success that you're looking for, striving for those dreams, striving for those goals. You have to have a plan of action, and you have to have specific activities that you get done in a certain amount of time. Now, if you have all day, every day, and really no other, things that you have to attend to, if you will, then maybe it's slightly different. But I still think it's super important that you put time on actions and time on the activities and time on things that you're doing that are income producing activities, meaning you're doing these things that's going to produce an income, whether that's today, tomorrow, next week, next month, whatever that time is that income's going to be produced. You got to lay that groundwork every day. You got to lay that groundwork pretty precisely, and you got to put in the work. You got and what I mean by put in the work is that, again, those income producing activities, not just bouncing here and there. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. Eventually, you're going to do a lot of things, and nothing's really getting done. You're not putting in the actual effort towards things that are positive towards your success, positive towards you being able to achieve the income, to achieve the goals and dreams that you planned for and thought of and seen. And you have these big goals out there, but you're not sure how to get there. So, you get a mentor and they give you these things exactly. This is how you get from A to B to C and all the way through. And then you start that and you say, I want to try this way. I want to try that way. Stop it. Follow what's being taught. Follow what it is that's put out there in front of you by people that have been successful. If you're getting information from people that have no idea how to do it themselves or haven't been where you're trying to get to, stop that too. Find people that have done, that are accomplishing what you're trying to accomplish. Find people that are finding success online and follow what they're doing. Listen to what they're telling you. Listen to what they're giving off it to you to provide you a vehicle to achieve the success and the dreams that you're trying to attain over time. Hey, Marcy, thanks for stopping by. So that's super important, and you have to have a plan for that. If you're, hey, Terrence, appreciate it. If you have a plan, whether it's 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, you need to have time broken out, and you have a planner and you find the way that works best for you. I'm not here to tell you exactly what and how you should do it, but you have to have a plan and you have to stick to that plan, whatever that may be, whatever works best for you. And it may take a few different things, a few different ways of you trying to find something that works best for you and that's helps you best in order to be successful. But you have to have a plan. You can't just flail around and hope that something good comes of it. And you can't just do the same hopping from opportunity to opportunity. I've talked before about 7 different opportunities in 7 different days, not going to get it done. especially for someone that's new, even for someone that's been doing a little while. If you get some traction and you find something that's working, work it and work it and work it. And you can fine tune it along the way, but don't just hop around from task to task. Don't just hop around from program to program, mentor to mentor, group to group. Find something that works. Follow someone who's done what you want to do, and plan out that time of how you're going to get to achieve your goals, not their goals, your goals. And get people to want to work with you, get people to want to be around you, and hear what you have to offer, and hear how you're doing things, so that you can have that same following eventually of your own. So that's really what I wanted to share on this Sunday. Beautiful day here. Hope it is wherever you are. But make time to make a plan, and if you do that on Sunday evening or Monday morning or Sunday morning, whatever it is, at least plan your week. At least plan the next 7 days, and break that time down. Make a plan that makes sense to you. Make a plan that's achievable. If don't give yourself 10 hours a day on Facebook to burn yourself out and not really make progress. Block out times that are really distinct, set towards income producing activities that are going to work for you. I am in an amazing platform that really helps with the activities, and then it's ours to take and plan out how we're going to use our time to achieve those. If you have some interest, want to know what I'm doing, what we're doing, how we're finding so much success, hit me up. Definitely, I'm happy to share. But if not, hopefully either way you found some value in this, and appreciate all who've tuned in as I've been live here today on this Sunday, and look forward to seeing who all catches it on the replay. And let me know what you think. Let me know your thoughts on this. If you think I'm way off, let me know. And but hopefully you got some value. And as always, I appreciate anyone who's tuning in. And I'll see you again soon. All right, that's it for now. Jason Brown, I'm out. Peace.